How to log into Shein account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Over here you will see the search box. Type in shein.com and search for it. You will land to the official website of Shein. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of Me. Now at the top you'll see the option of sign in or register. Tap on that option. From this page, you can easily log into your Shein account. You can type in mobile number or email address, or also you can continue with Google or Facebook. After you type in mobile number or email address, click on continue. Now you have to type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password, click on this option to recover it. After you are done, click on sign in. And with that, you will be logged into your Shein account. So this is how you can log into Shein account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.